Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Jobs for Engineers. Stress engineer at Rolls-Royce India Private Limited, Bangalore. Rolls-Royce Holding is a British multinational aerospace and defense company incorporated in February 2011 that owns Rolls-Royce, a business establishment in 1904, which today designs, manufactures and distributes power systems for aviation and other industries. Rolls-Royce is the world's second largest maker of aircraft engines after General Electric and has major business in the marine propulsion and energy sectors. Rolls-Royce India Private Limited is an Indian subsidiary of Rolls-Royce Holdings. The subsidiary looks after the regional client base as well as the supply chain for its aeronautics and industrial business. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. That means 2021 batch also can apply for this post. Now let us see who can apply for this post. Mechanical engineers and automobile engineers can apply for this post. For getting full details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. You are watching the channel Engineering Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From our channel, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs for engineers and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now, let us see the details about this opportunity. Post name is Stress Engineer RRIPL. Location of posting will be in Bangalore. Job category is Mechanical Systems. Posting date is 9th August 2021. It's a full-time permanent job. Job ID is JR6076943. Job description: Mechanical technology stress engineers ensure the integrity of our products. They work across a wide variety of commodities from critical parts through blades and vanes to structures and installation components. They predict the mechanical behavior of components and subsystems, taking into account various failure mechanisms and contributing factors. The role of a mechanical technology engineer includes being influential at all stages in the design cycle through the product service life to component disposal. As a mechanical technology stress engineer, you may be working in the RRB SCU defense engineering team deployed to various in-service project work streams. Whichever project you work in, you will be assured of support network of colleagues of the same capability to provide task leadership, consultation and technical review, etc. Key accountabilities: ensure the integrity of our products in service, work as a part of multidisciplinary teams to ensure the design of fit for purpose, support the ongoing safety of in-service engines, develop or contribute to the development of new methods, process, tools and guidance, define plans for analysis task, working with the key stakeholders to ensure all work meets customer expectations and is complicated to an agreed quality standard, etc. Key skills and experience: qualified to professional engineering degree level or equivalent in mechanical aeronautical engineering. The ability to effectively communicate the methods and results of complex analysis to peers, senior colleagues and external organizations such as customer or regulatory bodies. An understanding of material behavior, crack propagation, contact, thermomechanical fatigue and statistics. Experience of or a good appreciation of finite element stressing techniques and complex testing of assemblies, component and materials. Candidates should be highly numerate with strong technical and analytical skills, problem solving ability and capable of system level thinking, including personal drive, excellent communication and presentation skill, and will need to contribute effectively in a team environment, etc. Role is stress engineer, industry type is R&D, employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown in screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for the details of this job opportunity from our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Every day we will upload government jobs and private jobs. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Thank you.